had a wig like this, y'all. This is a first. Hey, y'all. How you doing? How your mama and them doing? It's just me, Mary, with my bonnet, working on my face. I'm excited about today's video. This wig that I'm about to review right now looks absolutely beautiful on the picture. I don't know how it's going to translate on me. That's why I had to come to you in advance. I don't know. I don't know how this is about. I know it's fly on the picture. Let me tell you what it is. RPG hair. Salon-level. Now this how they coming at it. Knotless Boho style locks braid wig. HD full lace. 24 inches. Y'all look at this. Look how good that looks. Y'all, I shouldn't have a problem with this. We talking full lace. They talking about salon-level. But who's salon? Because there's many salons. So that's why I can't stand off of that. Because I don't know which salon you're talking about. Honey, I like this. I love the fact that it's full lace. When we talking braid wigs, yes. They do have small and medium cap sizes. I would suggest a large size too. Jet black hair color. 40% human hair mixed with 60% synthetic hair. Real skin melted HD lace. Pre-plucked hairline 24 inches, 500 grams. Bleach knots, yes. Honey, they are saying all the right things, okay? Let me look at it real quick and we just gonna get started. Hold a minute. Packing sauce is lovely. Whole lot of gifts. Come on now. I'm not mad at the gifts. HD stocking cap, RPG hair melt band, the booklet, the thick rat tail comb, and then the edge whisperer. Let me see about this edge whisperer because some of them you should be a little hesitant to use. They're too rough and they will snatch out all your hopes and dreams. Oh, this one's good. Not mad at it. Okay. Ooh, I can already see. Yeah, I'm about to put this on my head. I can already see through the bag. Remember, this is a through the bag wig. Look, you can already tell, girl, this wig about to be fly. The only thing I need to know is if it's heavy. That's what I need to know. The curls are curling. The locks are locking. Yeah, let's go ahead and jump into this. Hit that subscribe button. Watch what I do with this. Hold a minute, y'all. box braids throughout this wig. That's probably why this wig is not heavy. Every once in a while, one of these is not a lot, okay? Yeah, there's a mix, y'all. So I was pleasantly surprised that it's not heavy, but that may be why. So if you see some box braids, don't be like, now why you ain't tell? I'm telling you. And they boho braids too. They still boho. So I'm just letting you know, okay? Okay.
Man, it's getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about